Prices are dropping and home buyers have a little more room to haggle right now. This comes as higher interest rates have helped normalize the market a bit. Well, News Channel 5's Alexander Cohen talked with a loan officer and real estate agent about these current trends.
And this property has amazing history.
This Trutland Avenue home was built in 1910 by the local sheriff in Davidson County.
It's obviously got a lot of character.
It was originally listed in the 900s, but now it's at 810, according to Helton Real Estate Group's Kevin Banks.
So we've already reduced the price by about 5%. A couple of different times.
He says when these sellers dropped the price, they got a lot more action on the home.
And the activity has spiked up since then. We've gotten a lot more showings. We have an offer actually in hand as of this morning for the home.
Now that interest rates are around 5 or 6%, Banks says there's been an adjustment period.
Over the last couple of months or so, we've definitely seen things softening to the point where some of our buyers have been able to get properties under asking price.
Months ago, there were bidding wars and people going over asking price.
No seller wants to have to reduce the price on their home.
But now some sellers are willing to chip in to help close the deal.
So we've even had, sellers that have been willing to pay money at closing to lower our buyers' interest rate and get their monthly payments back to being affordable.
At Steadfast Mortgage, loan officer Mike Smalling noticed that too.
That gets them a rate more like what they would have gotten had they bought last year. And for a seller, normally if they offer to pay the cost for the buyer to do that, it's a whole lot cheaper to do that than it is to come way down on their price.
There are a lot of incentives going on right now.
In that spirit of marry the house, date the rate, we came out with a program that follows along that line. And if you close your loan with our, appointed and approved attorney, we will offer you a free refinance.
In some cases, buyers have more time to decide on a home because they're on the market longer.
And figure out, okay, what do we need to do with the price in order to sell?
Alexander Cohen, News Channel 5.
It's a big change. More home sale contingency offers are being accepted as well. And that was pretty rare in the last couple of years here in Nashville.